Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right into a mind-bending ancient architectural mystery. Seriously, how do you fit a 13.8 billion-year-old universe inside one single physical building? Well, ancient builders used huge cosmic forces, like the sun's rays, lunar gravity, and Earth's tilt, to dictate proportions. They translated those astronomical observations into a sacred, living geometric blueprint known as the Vastu Purusha mandala. It literally maps the physical form of a cosmic being perfectly into the confines of a square. But why a square? In ancient Hindu philosophy, it's the ultimate symbol of heaven and perfect geometry. Notice how this heavenly square meticulously breaks down into a concentrated grid, assigning specific spaces to deities. The center generates powerful positive energy, radiating out into the physical world to create absolute perfect balance. So, this exact cosmic grid basically acts like ancient graph paper for the architects designing the temple. The main deity sits dead center, completely dictating how you physically navigate and worship in the outer rings. This blueprint smoothly guides your physical journey from the outer front porch right into the pillared meditation hall. Finally, you reach the walking corridor, moving safely around the incredibly intense divine energy of the inner sanctuary. Over 1,000 years, styles totally shifted, from flat 5th century roofs to massive arch structures by the 15th. Yet, underneath all those complex exterior carvings and shifting empires, the structural foundation stayed 100% identical. The mandala's sacred geometry never changed. It remained a constant, powerful bridge between us and the cosmos. So, if ancient builders perfectly aligned their walls with the universe, what cosmic connections are we missing today?